Check out this adorable TOP4TH Floor Beach Condo. Kitchen updated West/stainless appliances, granite countertops, and backsplash, new one bowl sink and faucet, newly painted cabinets, tiled floors, sleeper sofa, comfy king bed in master, mounted flat screen TVs in living and in master. Amazing Gulf views from this unit. Bunk beds in hall, adult friendly, sleeper sofa in living, washer/dryer in hall. Sip your coffee on your covered balcony in your lounge chairs. 2 beach accesses. Turnkey fully furnished potential rental income 20-30K gated approx. 7 landscaped acres. Property offers 2 pools, heated in winter months, grilling area west/picnic tables, walk to the National Seashore Park, just down the road. Walk to restaurants, shopping center, and a food truck on the counter. No road to cross, beachside to the beach.